Alright, welcome back. So I just got these lights. They're NiLight LED light bar. So I got a light bar there. An individual light here. And another one here. Came with the wiring harness, brackets if you can leave it, brackets, nuts and bolts. Here's the wiring harness. So we're going to put that on this. The X749. Oh boy. You guys are upside down. The X749 with the cab. We need some lights up there. And I think the big light will go in back. So that's what we're doing. And I guess I'll update you on some progress when we make some. Alright, so it's coming along. We had a mess of wires here before, but this is the fuse, and it's pretty much plug and play. We're going negative, black is negative, red is positive. And we got another relay here. And all the wires are following these other wire looms up into there. So I don't know if it's a temporary situation or what. But for now I just want to kind of get it mounted and see where we're at. I got one light mounted here. See, it just bolts right to there, and then there's two bolts, two screws on each side where you can adjust it, and the wire goes down through there. There's a little grommet that came out of that hole for the wires. So that's what it looks like so far. I think that'll be good. So, I think I'll get the other one mounted over here, get them wired up, and then see if they go on, and then work on the back. So a quick little note here on this one, or on these brackets, you can see how they have those little raised edges, and that's to stop the nut from spinning, and really it's the bolt, because the bolt should go through. But at any rate, it stops it from spinning. So that's pretty cool. Nice little setup there. Okay. So I got the front two done. I have to do a little work on the back. The wiring's not done completely yet. I just wanted to get these plugged in, see how they look. So let's see the difference here. Even with some light, in the garage. Let's turn these on. Just lights everything up huge. So there we go. Looking good. Okay, so here's the issue with the backlight. So they sit on these brackets, right? And the bolt goes through like that. And then the nut obviously goes there. Well, I can't decide where to put these on the back. So I just put it there, right? Whoops, you can put it there. But there's literally not even a finger's worth of space back there. So I couldn't even get it in there. I could probably bend this out. Probably enough. So that might be option one. Just bend it out enough where I can get the bolt back there. Clearly I have to cut the bolt way down, but I'm sure we could do it. Or fix more bracketry onto that back. There's really no other, there's no place on here at all. Maybe where these fasten. I wonder. Where those fasten to the cab. I'm sorry, I know the lighting sucks, but that's what we got. Oh boy, that probably wouldn't work out real well. Could put them down low. Clearly I could drill through this and put it down low. I suppose that's an option. Not one I like real well. Prefer it to be high. So, I don't know, we'll see what I can figure out here. Magnet I bought at Harbor Freight just the other day for these lights, and I thought, well, that's not going to work, but yeah, I can cut off that bolt. Plenty of room for a lock, washer, and a nut. Cut that off flush. Or really, I wouldn't even necessarily have to. Whoops. How about that? Magnet right to it. I wouldn't have to cut it off at all. Could stick it right there. Well, that will work. Whether I cut them off or not, that will definitely work. Alright, well, when I get another magnet, we'll continue this project. Okay, so that worked out really well. Those two magnets there did the job. Again, I have them up over the edge. I could trim those bolts and have them a little more down and flush, but That's what she's looking like. Perfect. Okay, I'm trying to turn the lights on with one hand. It's not working. Aha, there we go. Looking good. I'll light up plenty of light. I didn't center it because I didn't have enough wire. I will pull it a little bit to the right, but for the most part, it's going to be good right there. So that's going to wrap it up for cab lights for this X749. See, front lights are on as well. So, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a good one.